Scary Farm. We are going to Not Scary Farm. Okay, you get the gist of it. Okay. Hey guys, so I just thought that I would do a voiceover for some of this just because I didn't really talk a lot in this vlog. It was kind of more, you know, montagey, but I felt like it needed some words. So yeah, me and my two friends, Fiona and Daniel, went to Not Scary Farm, which was like, it's like Knott's Berry Farm, which is a theme park, but then in the month of October, it at nighttime it goes into Knott's Scary Farm, which is like, there's basically like mazes and everything's all scary, and there's like people that like walk around like, you know, their creepy costumes and like try to scare you and stuff. Anywho, it's really fun. So I thought that I would vlog it, and I thought that I would vlog some of the mazes and stuff. This is us just going on one of the rides that's there. Yeah, it's just like the ones like the swing ride where you like go up and like you swing around for a little bit. Anywho, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, and then my one friend Daniel scared Fiona. He like snuck up behind her and totally scared her. It was really funny. Yeah.
Don't know what you mean.
You guys should totally be in the vlog. Okay? Okay, so we're getting food now, right, Fiona?
Yep.
Food time. Yeah, and then this is us going in like I think our second maze, or I think it was our second maze. Really funny. I have like a pretty straight face on the entire time. It was either like I was making no expressions and I was just like, okay, this is cool, or I was like totally just laughing because it was funny. Yeah, I don't know why I seem to laugh at scary things, but it was really funny though. Yeah, my two other friends though were like totally screaming. It was really funny, but yeah. It's pretty cool. I think this one was, I don't know, I forget which one this was, but they each have like names and stuff, you know, but yeah. Oh yeah, and this one was the Tooth Fairy one, so it was like, there was like weird teeth stuff everywhere. It was kind of like dentist gone wrong themed. It was pretty funny. Yeah.
Like next week, bro. Never going to the dentist ever again.
Dude, and the thing, I'm getting my grapes off.
I know.
That'll be fun.
Picture this time.
I know. You better fucking sedate me.
The artist is up there. Yeah, it's a lot of like quiet creepiness.
Oh yeah, and I think this one was like the Edgar Allan Poe one. It was pretty cool. It was like being narrated the entire time. Like it was pretty interesting. Like you had like Edgar Allan Poe kind of talking to you like the entire time. I don't know. It was interesting. Yeah, and I think that one was, I don't know if that one was our last one. I think that was our last one. Our last maze of the night. And here I am laughing a bunch. But yeah, we're getting towards the end of this now, though. I totally forgot to end the vlog. So yeah, so I gotta end it now, or here. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed that. And yeah, just like a little happy Halloween thing, you know. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel because it's awesome, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Once upon a midnight dream,
You did that to me too. It was really funny. Wait,